Tight garage spaces demand compact, powerful cleaning tools that handle dust, debris, and spills without taking up valuable room, ensuring your workspace stays efficient and clutter-free. Today, we're going over the best shop vac for a small garage from our top picks: suction, portability, and space-saving design for everyday cleanup tasks. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Shop Vac 5922805 Shop Vac. The Shop Vac 5922805 is a reliable and powerful wet-dry vacuum designed to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks in garages, workshops, and vehicles. Its 4.5 peak horsepower motor delivers strong suction, making it effective for picking up everything from fine dust to heavy debris like wood chips and even liquid spills. The 8-gallon tank provides ample capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying during larger jobs. One of its standout features is the 3-in-1 functionality, allowing it to switch between vacuuming and blowing with ease, which is especially useful for clearing leaves or debris from outdoor areas. The unit is built with mobility in mind, featuring a caster system and both top and side carry handles for convenient transport. With over 13 feet of cleaning reach, users can cover a large area without constantly moving the vacuum. The included accessories such as extension wands, floor and crevice nozzles, and multiple filters enhance its versatility across different surfaces. Overall, this model offers a solid balance of power, capacity, and convenience for everyday cleaning needs. Number 2. Shop Vac 5920588 Shop Vac. The Shop Vac 5920588 is a compact yet capable wet-dry vacuum that combines durability with dependable performance. Featuring a 4.5 peak horsepower motor and a 5-gallon stainless steel tank, it is well suited for household, garage, and workshop cleaning tasks. Despite its smaller size, it delivers strong suction for handling dust, debris, and liquid messes with ease. The 3-in-1 functionality adds versatility, allowing the unit to operate as both a vacuum and a blower, which is useful for clearing dirt from tight or hard-to-reach areas. Its portable design includes a caster system and a collapsible carry handle, making it easy to move and store when not in use. The vacuum also provides over 13 feet of cleaning reach, reducing the need for constant repositioning during use. This makes it convenient for quick cleanups as well as more extended tasks. With its combination of solid performance, practical size, and ease of use, the Shop Vac 5920588 is a dependable option for users seeking an efficient and manageable cleaning solution. Number 3. Seesii Cordless Shop Vac. The Seesii Cordless Shop Vac offers a modern and highly portable solution for tackling both wet and dry messes without the limitation of cords. Powered by a brushless motor, it runs more efficiently and lasts longer than traditional models, while also operating at a cooler temperature to reduce wear. The dual suction modes provide flexibility, allowing users to switch between lighter cleaning tasks and more demanding jobs like removing pet hair or stubborn dirt. Its HEPA-rated filter captures up to 99.7% of fine particles, helping maintain cleaner air while protecting the motor. The inclusion of 2 high-capacity batteries ensures extended runtime, making it suitable for longer cleaning sessions without frequent interruptions. This vacuum also features 3-in-1 functionality, enabling it to vacuum, handle liquid spills, and act as a blower. Its lightweight design, combined with wheels and a shoulder strap, makes it easy to carry and maneuver in tight spaces, on stairs, or even outdoors. With multiple attachments included, it adapts well to various cleaning needs, offering convenience and flexibility in one compact package. Number 4. DEWALT Steel Shop Vac. The DEWALT Steel Shop Vac is designed for users who need strong performance with a quieter operation, making it a practical choice for both home and professional environments. Equipped with a 4-peak horsepower motor, it delivers powerful suction capable of handling tough cleaning tasks, including dust, debris, and liquid spills. One of its key advantages is its low noise level, operating at under 65 decibels, which makes it comfortable to use indoors without causing significant disturbance. The 5-gallon stainless steel tank adds durability while maintaining a compact and manageable size. Its extended cleaning reach, supported by a 10-foot power cord and 7-foot hose, allows users to cover more area without frequently changing outlets. The vacuum also comes with a variety of nozzles and accessories, making it versatile enough to clean floors, furniture, and car interiors. An organized accessory storage system ensures everything stays within reach. Overall, it delivers a strong mix of power, durability, and user-friendly design.
Number 5. ECOMAX Ultra Shop Vac. The ECOMAX Ultra Shop Vac is a well-rounded cleaning tool that combines powerful suction with quiet operation and thoughtful design features. Its 4 peak horsepower motor provides enough strength to tackle both wet and dry messes, from dust and debris to liquid spills, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning environments. The 5-gallon tank offers a good balance between capacity and portability, allowing users to handle medium-sized jobs without the unit becoming too bulky. One of its standout features is its quiet performance, operating at under 65 decibels, which makes it ideal for indoor use where noise levels matter. The vacuum is designed for easy mobility with an ergonomic handle and 360-degree wheels that glide smoothly across different surfaces. With an extended 17-foot cleaning reach, users can clean larger areas without interruption. Additionally, the onboard storage system keeps accessories organized and easily accessible. This model is a practical choice for those seeking a quiet, efficient, and easy-to-use shop vacuum. That wraps up the top 5 best shop vac for a small garage. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.